10 years ago, I thought I was healthy. I just had a baby. Then this happened. I was at home caring for my newborn. Then I felt dizzy and tired. I thought this was normal, but then I felt chest pressure spreading to my arms and to my jaw. It went away very quickly, but then it came back. It was worse. I really felt unwell and breathless, and I knew it was time to call an ambulance.
She had a massive heart attack because the blood vessels in her heart were obstructed and there was not enough blood going in to supply the heart. So SCAD means Spontaneous Coronary Artery Dissection, and the name kind of says it all. So spontaneous literally means it comes out of the blue. There's usually no warning signs. Coronary artery refers to the blood vessels that bring blood to the heart, and dissection is the condition where the blood vessel lining suddenly tears. And when it tears, that can block the blood flow going down those coronary arteries, those blood vessels, and hence the muscle that is meant to be supplied with the blood suddenly has no blood, and it starts to get damaged.
Many things. At first I was in denial. I thought I'm going to be discharged right away. Then I thought this can't be happening. I'm only 32. I just had a baby. How could I be having a heart attack? I was rushed to the National Heart Center and underwent urgent procedure where the doctors had to restore blood flow to my heart. They had to place 3 stents in order to repair my torn vessel.
What we had to do was quickly restore the blood flow to her heart muscle. And so what we did was to pass wires down the blood vessels very, very carefully, and then use a balloon to try and open up the areas that were blocked. And then we had to put in metal tubes called stents to try and keep the blood vessels open. And thankfully, she responded well to that treatment. The blood flow was restored to her heart, and we managed to get her to the intensive care and out of hospital after that.
About 2 years and a lot of help from support groups, family, friends, also therapy. Since I was a first-time mother, not being able to care for my baby, that broke me. It taught me to truly listen to my body and trust my instincts. SCAD doesn't care about age or health. It can happen to anyone.
SCAD, actually there are very, very few warning signs or symptoms because, like I mentioned, it's spontaneous, it comes out of the blue. But for anybody who has, chest pain that is sudden, crushing, really severe, something that they've not experienced before, that lasts for minutes and is not going away, it's very reasonable to get an opinion from a doctor as to what the cause may be. I also want to just explain that most heart attacks are not due to SCAD. They're due to things like smoking, high cholesterol, etc. But the diagnosis of SCAD is something that we always think about when it happens to somebody who is a little bit not of the same profile of the usual heart attacks. So young people, ladies who have just become pregnant, etc.
Don't ignore the signs. No matter how small they seem, it's easy to brush them off, but early intervention can make all the difference.